Hey everybody, it's pointedblank here, and today we are going to learn how to install Windows 7 using virtual machine with VMware Workstation 6. I believe there's a trial version out there for you guys who don't have this, but for you guys who do, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to click Create New Virtual Machine, typical. Now here it does have an option for Windows Long or Experimental, but in my experience that doesn't work, so I'm going to choose Other. I'm going to choose Other. Now I could use 64-bit, but the version I have is not 64-bit. I mean, my processor is 64-bit, but I find that many 32-bit applications don't run on 64-bit, so let's just continue. I'm going to call this Windows 7. Next. Use bridge networking, and I'm going to need way more than 8 gigs, 25 gigs. Okay. I'm going to change the memory, because, 256 is way too little. I'm going to change it to 250. And I'm going to get floppy drive. I don't have a floppy drive, so I'm going to turn off connect to power on. Processors 2. You don't have to follow this exactly, by the way. This is just what I'm using because of my particular system preferences. I know some of you guys have quad-core processors and more memory and whatnot, but for this is just for what will work for me. So I'm going to choose CD-ROM. I'm going to choose the ISO image that I downloaded. And just for you guys asking, I did actually download Windows 7 completely legally. Absolutely 100% legal. So I didn't steal it. Nothing. Microsoft sent me an email asking if I wanted the beta version, and I'm like, yeah, sure, what the hell. And I also have a completely legal serial key, so there. So I'm not a pirate. Arg. Okay, so we're gonna click power on this virtual machine. I apologize if you hear some rather awkward swallowing noises, as I am currently in the process of eating a Pop-Tart. I think it's a strawberry Pop-Tart. Let's take another bite to see. Could be raspberry. One more bite, just to be sure. Nope, definitely strawberry. Okay, now we got that scientific procedure out of the way. Let's continue to installing Windows. Okay, English, United States, US, that's good. Now, let's click install now, just for now. Sorry about that, I just get a tad bored when recording these tutorials, so I don't know. Okay, now this particular part is very important. I would advise reading this all the way through before accepting it, but it is a bit long. Yeah, I mean, this is just funny. Like, you can recover from Microsoft and its suppliers only direct damages up to $5 US. If you lose $5 because of Microsoft, yeah, you can get it back. But, so there is quite a bit of stuff that you should probably need to read here, I would seriously advise it. Now, especially read these with virtualization technologies, because you are in fact using a virtual machine. But the most important bit is this. If you can take a look at it for me. It says the software will stop running on August 1st, 2009. You will not receive any other notice. You will not be able to access data used with the software when it stops running. That is very important. That is why, in fact, I'm installing it on a virtual machine and not on my main computer, as I don't want my computer to stop dead in its tracks on August 1st. So, next, I'm going to choose custom operating system currently on here. My computer seems to be lagging. Okay, so I'm going to choose this 25 gig unallocated space. And of course, it's going to take a while because Windows is known to be slow. Okay, so this entire thing takes a while. So I'm going to pause this, probably finish off my Pop-Tart, and then have another Pop-Tart, maybe a blueberry one this time. And I'm gonna get a cup of coffee, so I'll see you after that, alright? Pause that. Okay, everyone, so that is done. Now, took about half an hour and 2 restarts. And when I say restart, I don't mean it actually restarted my computer, I mean it restarted the virtual machine, so yeah. But enough of this chitter chatter, so I'm gonna enter my name. Oh, it doesn't want to enter my name, does it? There we go. Oh, I don't know, I'll call it Windows 7. Some character's not valid. Screw it then, I don't know. I'll just call it Windows 7. Next. A password. Recommended. Oh, screw that. Password hint. You'll never guess. Okay, I'm sorry about that.